Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you Chatgpt problem. Please unblock challenges cloudflare.com to processed. Now solve this problem. First of all, go to your settings, click on settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now click on search bar, search for Chatgpt, click on this. Now scroll down, click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Now back, click on permissions. All permissions allowed. Now back, click on force stop, click on OK. Now back to your home screen and go to your Play Store. Click on Play Store, search and check update your Chatgpt. Now update your Chatgpt. Now back to your home screen and restart your phone. Then reopen your phone. Go to your Chatgpt. I hope your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.